Introducing the Pulse Light Epilator from Philips, the Lumia Series 9000. Philips Pulse Light technology provides long-lasting hair removal with clear, smooth skin. This technology uses a light which makes its way to the root of the hair, which has the effect of lulling the follicle and stimulating the release of the hair, to put it to sleep. Lumia was developed in collaboration with dermatologists and has been clinically tested. The Lumia IPL Series 9000 Epilator is the only cordless intense pulse light epilator. It requires regular hair removal sessions for a good result. To start, you will need to do the first 4 sessions every 2 weeks, that is to say for 2 months. The results are quite exceptional, and the hairs disappear from the first use, the regrowth is slower and the coat is finer. Then the next 8 sessions every 4 weeks depending on your regrowth. It is given that after 12 sessions, you will benefit from 6 months of soft and smooth skin. The 3 precision tips, for the bikini area, armpits, the one for the concave body and for the face are smart. They adapt the programs to each area of the body, and are designed to maximize skin contact so no light escapes, allowing gentle and effective use, even on sensitive or delicate areas. With the free Philips Lumia IPL app, customize your workout for best results. This app will provide you with tips and tricks on your technique. Its personalized programs and adaptive planning provide optimal session management. It sends reminders when you need to do a session and keeps track of the number of sessions. The duration of use for the facial areas is 1 minute, for the armpits 2 minutes, 2 minutes for the bikini line, and for the lower legs 8 minutes. Before starting a session you must shave or wax your hair. Do not shave or epilate the area to be treated before flashing it. Do not use hair removal creams, as the chemicals cause skin reactions. If you choose wax, wait 24 hours before using Lumia to let your skin rest. Then you have to choose the accessory that corresponds to the area to be flashed. Turn on the tool. Select the correct setting for your skin tone using the Smart Skin sensor. The skin color sensor will block the device if used on too dark skin. This sensor also helps provide the user with the ideal power for their skin color. This device has a protection system that makes it flash only when it is well positioned on the skin. Do not pass twice in the same place. For application mode, swipe and flash for quick use. Dab and flash for use on small areas. During use you will feel a little tingling which goes away immediately, but is not at all painful. The time between 2 flashes is a little longer when it is not on the mains. After using it, hair regrowth will be much slower. Once you've done all the necessary sessions, the result is hairless, smooth skin for several months. The device is very elegant, handy and very easy to use. It offers easy and painless home IPL. The price is quite high and it does not work on all skin types. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. If you want to help this little channel, subscribe and share the videos, it's a big support for our work. Thank you.